G'day, I'm Clive and welcome to PTT Outdoors. What I'd like to show you today is the Tactical Assault Systems med pouch, and it's made out of a 900D Cordura fabric, so it is fairly waterproof. We've got the Molle system on the front here, so you can attach any smaller pouches that you have, or you can run your pocket knife down here, attach anything you want, your Leatherman, your multi-tool. And on the back you have your Molle straps with some good strong press studs, and these have been doubled over and put a reinforcement down the middle as well to make it nice and strong. And there's two of those, and at the top here with box stitching in the necks we have another one here where you can connect it to any of your straps on your pack, or a loop strap that goes around your belt. You have your Molle here on the back as well to make it fit even better and nice and sturdy when you put it on your pack, or make it or go on your belt. The zip, they are an SBS zip. I don't know what the company is, but the quality of these are really good. Good large holes on the zip. The actual material goes over the zip, which will help prevent water getting in and dust and dirt. And as you saw, the zips work really well, nice and smooth. And let's get into the inside. I've got my knife, fork and spoon in there in a moment. Let's turn it inside out. So there you go. Turned it inside out. It's got another layer of material on the inside, like a nylon, and elasticated here, which could fit a couple of compression straps, or should I say a couple of compression bandages, and anything there. And also on the other side, exactly the same again, elasticated, the second material on the inside is what feels it. Yes, nice tidy clean stitching, sturdy pouch. So they call it the med pouch. It's designed as a med pouch, but I use it to keep my cook kit in on my belt of my tactical pack. So let me install this back onto my belt of my tactical pack, and we'll show you how well it fits. And there it is, installed on the belt of my tactical pack. The reason I carry it on my belt is so I can transfer weight out the back of my pack, and I don't need to carry as big a pack. So let's get my cook kit and show you how it fits. So you've got an idea of how big this is. In here I have the Toke 750mm with a 100g gas canister on top, and the Toke's titanium pot on the bottom, or their bowl. That goes in nice there. And I saw I took the knife and forks out, so they'll go there. and a nice comfortable fit. with room to spare on the inside. So you can put your coffee down there, or any little bits that you want. They do this in the Ozcam. I believe they do it in a multicam and a black also. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you're not a subscriber and you have enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button down below, and if you are already a subscriber, I thank you. So until next time, get out there, have some fun, and take care.